Lakshmi Joshi, political analyst, in fact, is also joining us now live. Lakshmi Joshi, what do you make of this shocking incident and what kind of action now is needed to be taken?
Good afternoon, Uday. And, this is not just a very sad and unfortunate event. I think that this could have been absolutely avoidable. This could have been avoided completely. What I find absolutely appalling is that, this former BJP MP, Kirit Somaiya, he had actually put a complaint against this wording on the 2nd of May. And in the middle of all this process of the action, etc., this has got so delayed that, and unfortunately, there was this huge storm yesterday, because of which this entire tragedy has happened. So this and this is not an isolated case. Apparently, there are 8 other such hoardings in the vicinity by the same person, Mr. Bhavesh Bhide, his company, who is you have just noticed that he is absconding. So there are 8 other hoardings of that sort, and this person has been actually fined at least 21 times for putting up hoardings without any authorization. So this I find it strange, and I find it shocking as to how this kind of a person who has been flouting all these rules repeatedly, why he has been actually allowed to put up any hoarding. Not even one should have been allowed, for such a person. So this is something that actually beats me. So right now, a lot of action is being taken. The NDRF is under action, and also there is an audit about all the hoardings that are there in the area. See, now what is happening? What is happening is, there are a lot of times when there are all these technical issues. Like, for example, the BMC says this is not our land, and the railways say this is not our land. So there is a huge confusion about whose land it was, on whose property this hoarding was constructed. So this thing about getting into the whichever book of records and trying to create some kind of a some huge news there out of all of this. Just look at the kind of news that they have created. And shockingly, there are apparently 8 more hoardings which are constructed illegally. So this actually, I think, the hoardings in the first place, I feel that a lot of times they're very distracting, especially for somebody who's driving. I myself have been distracted a lot of times.
Right. So these are disasters waiting to happen, is what you're clearly saying.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.